Hey, say turn it off out loud right now. Now listen, did it come out as three separate words or did it blend together? If it came out choppy, don't worry, that's exactly what we're fixing today. Adam's got the secret to sounding connected, not robotic. Let's go find him.
Say this sentence in your head. Turn it off. Now listen to how a native speaker actually says it. It doesn't sound like three separate words at all. It sounds like one word. Turn it off. Today we find out why and how to do it yourself. Welcome back to Speakora. I'm Adam, and this is day 11 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Today's topic is linking, sometimes called connected speech, the way native speakers blend words together instead of pausing crisply between each one. This is honestly one of the biggest reasons learners feel like native speakers talk too fast, when really they're just talking connected.
Hi, everyone. Honestly, Adam, this explains so much for me. I've always felt like I say each word clearly and correctly, but somehow it still doesn't sound natural, like something invisible is missing.
That invisible thing is exactly what we're naming today, Luna. When you say each word separately with a tiny pause between them, it's completely understandable, but it sounds robotic. Native speakers connect words together, especially when one word ends in a consonant and the next starts with a vowel.
So it's not about speeding faster, it's about connecting differently?
Exactly, and that's such an important distinction. Speed is a result of linking, not the cause of it. Let's warm up. Say turn it off, pausing clearly between each word, the way you might currently say it.
Turn it off.
Very clear, very understandable, but let's connect it now. The N in turn links into it, and the T in it links into off. Try it as one flowing sound. Turn it off.
Turn it off.
Excellent, and notice how much more natural that already feels.
It genuinely does. It's like the words are holding hands instead of standing apart.
I love that image, Luna. Let's warm up on another one. Check it out. Say it's separated first.
Check it out.
Now linked. Check it out.
Check it out.
Perfect. One more warm-up, a phrase you probably say daily. What are you doing? Separated first.
What are you doing?
And linked, the natural way, what are you doing? Almost like, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Beautiful. 3 phrases, and in every single one, the words melted into each other instead of standing apart. Let's take this pattern much deeper now, into full conversation and real situations.
Turn it off, check it out, what are you doing? Already sounding smoother, right? But Adam and Luna are just getting started. Next, they're linking full sentences in real conversations, roommates, cafes, morning routines. Let's keep that flow going into part 2. All right, Luna, let's put linking into real conversation because this pattern shows up in nearly every sentence you speak.
Okay, I'm ready, and honestly a little amazed already at how different this sounds.
Let's start naturally. Luna, can you turn the lights on for me?
Sure, I'll turn it on right now.
Let's link that properly.
Sure, I'll turn it on right now. Turn it on.
Perfect. And did you feel the N pulling into it that time?
I did. It happened almost automatically once I focused on it.
That's exactly the goal. Let's continue. What are you planning to do this weekend?
I want to check it out, this new cafe everyone's talking about.
Let's link that one too.
I want to check it out, this new cafe everyone's talking about. Check it out.
Excellent. Clean and connected. Now let's move into role play, since linking shows up constantly in everyday situations. Situation 1. Giving instructions to a roommate.
Okay, ready.
Hey, can you turn the music off before you leave?
Sure, I'll turn it off right now, no problem.
Let's check that linking.
Turn it off, no problem.
Beautifully connected. Situation 2. Chatting with a friend about their plans.
Okay, ready.
What are you doing later tonight?
Honestly, not much. Probably just relaxing at home. What about you?
Notice that, Luna. What about you often links into what about you. Try it that way.
What about you?
Perfect. Situation 3. A slightly longer one, describing your morning routine to a coworker.
Okay, ready.
What's your morning routine usually like?
I wake up, I check it out. I check my phone for messages, then I turn it off and get ready for the day.
Let's clean that sentence up and link it properly.
I wake up, I check my phone for messages, then I turn it off and get ready for the day. Check it out, turn it off.
Beautifully corrected, and completely natural rhythm throughout that whole sentence.
I actually got a little tongue-tied there for a second, but recovering into the linked version felt really satisfying.
That recovery moment, Luna, that's real fluency in action. Not perfection, just smooth adjustment. Let's lock this in now with focused repetition and vocabulary specifically about linking. Luna just linked a whole sentence about her morning routine without stopping once. That's the target. Now it's your turn. 13 quick phrases to build the flow into muscle memory, plus 8 new words to talk about this pattern like a pro. Okay, Luna, repetition round, focused entirely on linking. Say each phrase as one connected flow, not as separate words.
Ready.
Turn it off before you leave.
Turn it off before you leave.
Check it out when you get a chance.
Check it out when you get a chance.
What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
I'll pick it up on my way home.
I'll pick it up on my way home.
Can you turn it up a little?
Can you turn it up a little?
What about you? Are you coming too?
What about you? Are you coming too?
I want to try it out first.
I want to try it out first.
Let it go. It's not a big deal.
Let it go. It's not a big deal.
We should look it up online.
We should look it up online.
I'll figure it out eventually.
I'll figure it out eventually.
Can you send it over later?
Can you send it over later?
Turn it off and take a break.
Turn it off and take a break.
I'll check it out this weekend.
I'll check it out this weekend.
Fantastic. 13 phrases, all connected naturally. Now, 8 vocabulary words focused on this specific pattern.
Let's do it.
Word 1, linking, meaning connecting the end of one word smoothly to the start of the next. For example, linking makes turn it off sound like one word. Your turn.
I never noticed linking happening in fast native speech before today.
Great usage. Word 2, connected speech, meaning the overall natural flow of spoken language, including linking, blending, and reductions. For example, connected speech is very different from reading each word aloud. Try it.
I want to practice connected speech more, not just individual words.
Excellent. Word 3, choppy, meaning speech that sounds broken into separate, disconnected pieces. For example, speaking word by word can sound choppy to native ears. Luna?
I think my English used to sound choppy without me realizing it.
Perfect. Word 4, flow, meaning the smooth, continuous movement of connected speech. For example, your sentence had really nice flow that time. Your turn.
I'm really working on getting better flow in my sentences.
Wonderful. Word 5, blend, meaning to combine two sounds smoothly so they become one. For example, the N and the I blend together in turn it. Luna?
I can hear the N and I blend now that I know what to listen for.
Great example. Word 6, consonant to vowel link, meaning when a word ending in a consonant connects into the next word starting with a vowel. For example, turn it is a classic consonant to vowel link. Try it.
I want to find more consonant to vowel link examples this week.
Excellent. Word 7, robotic, meaning sounding mechanical or unnatural, often from speaking two separately. For example, without linking, speech can sound robotic. Luna?
I definitely don't want to sound robotic anymore, now that I know the fix.
Beautiful. And word 8, seamless, meaning smooth and without any noticeable breaks or gaps. For example, your linking is starting to sound seamless. Your turn.
I hope my sentences start sounding seamless very soon.
They already are, Luna. Today proved that clearly. Let's wrap up with a quiz, some focused tips, and your challenge before day 12. Final stretch. Up next, a quick quiz to test what's stuck, 5 tips to keep this pattern natural, and a full recap. Plus, Adam's teasing tomorrow's topic, word stress, and why some sentences sound musical. Stay right here. All right, Luna, quiz time. 5 questions, all focused on today's linking pattern.
Ready.
Question 1, say, turn it off the fully linked natural way.
Turn it off.
Perfect. Question 2, say, check it out the fully linked way.
Check it out.
Excellent. Question 3, say, what are you doing the fully linked way?
What are you doing?
Wonderful. Question 4, use turn it up naturally in a full sentence linked.
Can you turn it up? Turn it up? I can barely hear it.
Perfect. And question 5, how does connected speech feel to you now compared to the start of today?
Honestly, at the start, it felt like an invisible skill I couldn't quite name. Now it feels like a real learnable pattern, and I actually notice myself doing it without thinking sometimes already.
5 for 5, Luna. Beautifully answered. Now, 5 tips to keep mastering linking. Tip number 1, practice short, common phrases first, like turn it off or check it out, since high-frequency phrases give you the most natural speaking value fastest. Tip number 2, exaggerate the link at first, even if it feels unnatural, since your mouth needs to physically learn the new movement before it becomes automatic.
Tip number 3, listen for linking specifically in songs, since musical rhythm often makes linking even more obvious and easier to hear.
Tip number 4, don't worry about linking every single word perfectly since even native speakers pause naturally at certain points. The goal is fluency, not mechanical perfection.
Tip number 5, record yourself saying today's 13 phrases and compare it to how you spoke before today, since hearing your own before and after is often the most motivating proof of progress.
Tip 5 is something I really want to try. I think hearing the difference myself would be really encouraging.
It genuinely is, Luna. Most learners are surprised by how much smoother they already sound. How do you feel heading into day 12?
Honestly, today felt like discovering the missing piece between knowing English and actually sounding fluent in it.
That's a beautiful way to put it, Luna. Let's recap today. First, we identified linking as the natural blending of words in connected speech. Second, we practiced 3 key phrases: turn it off, check it out, and what are you doing? Third, we used these phrases in real conversation and 3 role-play situations.
Fourth, we repeated 13 full phrases using natural linking. And fifth, we learned 8 new words to describe and discuss this pattern with real understanding.
When you list it out like that, today feels like it connected everything we've practiced this week into one bigger skill.
In many ways, it did, Luna. If today made your English feel smoother and more connected, give this video a like. It genuinely helps more learners find this challenge. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications because tomorrow we tackle word stress, the reason some sentences sound musical and others sound flat.
Here's your homework before tomorrow. Say all 3 of today's phrases, turn it off, check it out, and what are you doing, out loud 5 times each using the fully linked version.
And in the comments, tell us, did today change how you hear native speakers talk? We read every single one, and it genuinely helps us shape future episodes, too.
We're connecting real sentences together now, not just individual words.
Exactly, Luna. Today wasn't about learning something new. It was about noticing something that was always there. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 12.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, everyone.